So that is mod A bar equal to 1, mod B bar equal to 1, mod C bar equal to 1, and again the angle between AB is given as pi by 3, 60, and A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0 bar. A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0 bar implies taking cross product with A bar, we get B cross is C cross A is 0 bar, cross A bar is 0 bar. 0 bar, A bar cross A bar is 0 bar. Hence, that gives us B cross A equal to minus C cross A. So, therefore, modulus of B cross A or A cross B is same to that of C cross A itself. These two are equal. Similarly, taking cross product with B bar, A bar cross B bar, B bar cross B bar, C bar cross B bar is 0 bar. In such case, B bar cross B bar is 0. Hence, mod A bar cross B bar is same to that of mod B bar cross C bar itself. So, from these two, these three are equal. These three are equal. Hence, the required value is may be equal to thrice to that of mod A bar cross B. Therefore, mod A bar cross B bar equal to mod B bar cross C bar equal to mod C bar cross A bar. Hence, modulus of A cross B plus modulus of B cross C modulus of C cross A, some value 3 into modulus of A cross B itself. By definition of the cross product, you can write it with as sine of angle between AB itself with modulus. There is no unit vector. So, this is 1 sine 60, that is 3 into root 3 by 2, which gives us 3 root 3 by 2. The required value is 3 root 3 by 2. This is given in Telangana EAMCET. Such problems usually asked in EAMCET as well as mains. Next problem. A bar is xi plus yj plus zk. Then A bar cross I dot I plus I, of course, plus A bar cross j dot j plus k. I thought that this is j. This is j plus k plus A bar cross k dot k plus I equal to. Okay. This is also very simple one. A bar cross I dot I plus j is dot product is distributive, treating this one as one vector. A bar cross I dot I plus A bar cross I dot j. This is box A I plus box A I j, but box I is 0 plus box A bar I j. Okay. This may be written as A bar dot I cross j. By scalar triple product, the box value can be evaluated like this. I cross j is k. So, this value, the first term is equal to A bar dot k. Similarly, A bar cross j dot j plus k, taking this one, this is equal to A j k, because A j j box value is 0, hence box A j k, that is A bar dot j cross k, which is A bar dot I. Similarly, the third one, A bar cross k dot k plus I equal to A k k box value is 0. So, this is as equivalent as A k I, which is A bar dot k cross I. K cross I is j. So, the first one is A dot k, second one is A dot I, the third one is A dot j. So, required value is A bar dot k, A bar dot I, A bar dot k, which is nothing but A bar itself. Sorry, A dot k is, this is square of the A dot I, A dot k squares. Once it is squares, it has the value. A bar is given here. A bar dot k is z. A bar dot I is x. A bar dot k is y. So, which is nothing but x plus y plus z itself. Next one. Next problem. Let A bar comma B bar are two unit vectors. Two unit vectors inclined at an angle. Inclined at an angle to alpha. where 0 is less than or equal to alpha is less than or equal to pi. Each other. Then mod A bar plus B bar is less than 1 if here the options are alpha is pi by 2, alpha is less than pi by 3, alpha is greater than 2 pi by 3, fourth one is pi by 3 is less than alpha is less than 2 pi by 3. A bar, B bar are two unit vectors inclined at an angle to alpha, such that mod A bar cross B bar is less than 1. Follows whenever alpha is equal to pi by 2, alpha is less than pi by 3, alpha greater than 2 pi by 3, and alpha lies between pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Mod A bar is given as 1. Mod B bar is also 1 unit vectors. And the angle between A bar and B bar is 2 alpha. This is given. Now, modulus of A bar plus B bar is less than 1 implies. Modulus of A bar plus B bar is less than 1 implies. Mod A bar, mod B bar. This is squaring this one. Of course, now let us consider this one. Mod A bar plus B bar whole square. This is mod A square plus mod B square plus 2 A bar dot B bar. This is 1 plus 1 plus 2 mod A bar mod B bar. Cos of angle between A and B is 2 alpha. That is twice to that of 1 plus cos 2 alpha. This is 2 cos square alpha. 2 cos square alpha. Hence, modulus of A bar plus B bar is 4 cos square alpha. Now, modulus of A bar plus B bar is less than 1 implies square. 2 cos alpha is less than 1. 2 cos alpha is less than 1. So hence cos alpha is less than 1 by 2. Cos alpha is less than 1 by 2. Cos alpha is less than 1 by 2 means that must be okay. This is less than 1. 4 cos square alpha. Modulus of 2 cos alpha is less than 2 cos alpha is less than 1. Cos alpha is less than half. Since cosine is decreasing, alpha must be greater than pi by 3. Of course, pi by 3. Of course, modulus of A bar plus B bar is less than 1 means A bar plus B bar dot A bar plus B bar lies between. Okay. So that implies alpha is greater than pi by 3 means alpha lies between 2 pi by 3. Pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Because taking modulus value to this one, of course, modulus of A bar plus B bar actually either plus or minus. Hence, cos alpha lies between minus half and plus half, which is nothing but pi by 3 and pi by 3. This is the value. Actually, this is modulus of this one. So, mod A bar plus B bar is equal to the magnitude of this vector. Modulus in the sense magnitude. Magnitude means either plus or minus 2 cos 2. Okay. So, hence plus or minus you can take plus or minus. And solve for lights between pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3. Next, problem. This is also given in AP MSET recently. The minimum volume of the parallelopiped the minimum volume of the parallelopiped formed by vectors I plus Aj plus K, J plus Ak, and Ai plus K as coterminal edges. Coterminous edges is the minimum volume of parallelepiped. You have to minimize the volume. You have to minimize the volume of the parallelepiped. Volume V equal to volume of the parallelepiped. Volume V equal to modulus of box I plus Aj plus K, J plus Ak, Ai plus K. The volume of the parallelepiped is modulus of the box value of the vectors, coterminous edges. That is given by modulus of course, the determinant of 1A1, 0, 1A, A0, 1 multiplied by box Ijk. Okay, but box Ijk is clearly 1. Hence, this is the determinant 1A1, 0, 1A, A0, 1. Of course, taking modulus. That gives us 1 minus 0 minus A into 0 minus A square plus 1 into 0 minus A with modulus. That is 1 plus A cube here minus A with modulus. One minus A into 0 minus A square. Okay, 1 into 0 minus 1 into 0 minus A. So, this is the volume of the parallelepiped. Now, we have to minimize the value of this volume. To minimize this volume, let us consider this volume as positive in positive sense and take V equal to A cube minus A plus 1. Minimize this V. V minimum when the first derivative is 0 as per minimum and maximum of a function in the single variable. dv by da is 0, and the second derivative, of course, d square v by ds square is to take minimum positive. Therefore, dv by da is 0 implies dv by da 0 implies d 3a square minus 1 is 0, hence a takes the value 1 by plus or minus 1 by root. And similarly, d square by da square equal to, again differentiating this one, we get 6a, which is positive for a takes the value 1 by root 3 clearly. So this is positive for a equal to positive only 1 by root 3. Therefore, v minimum value is obtained by 1 by root 3 whole cube minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is 1 by 3 root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Now on simplification, 3 root 3 is our LCM, and so I may get plus 3 root 3. This is 3 root 3 minus 2 by 3 root 3. The minimum volume of the parallelepiped having coterminous edges, as that vectors are 3 root 3 minus 2 by 3 root 3. This is given in AP EAMCET 2017. EAMCET 2017 problem. Next problem. If A bar is given 2i plus a minus k, B bar is given I plus 3k. If C bar is a unit vector, then maximum value of box A bar, B bar, C bar is maximum value of box A bar, B bar, C bar is box A bar, B bar, C bar equal to box A bar, B bar, C bar equal to. Because A bar and B bar are given, let us consider their cross product dot C bar. Let us consider their cross product of A bar and B bar, dot product with C bar. By definition of the dot product, this is A bar cross B bar. Of course, a maximum value to get maximum. Okay. Modulus of A bar cross B bar, mod C bar, cosine of angle between these two vectors. But the maximum value of cos, is 1. Hence, this value is certainly less than or equal to modulus of A bar cross B bar, mod C bar. Since cosine value always lies less than or equal to 1. So, hence this is modulus of A bar, modulus of B bar, sine of angle between A bar and B bar. Otherwise, take the cross product with the modulus multiplied by mod C bar. Mod C bar is, since C bar is unit vector, this is 1. So, hence let modulus of A bar cross B bar gives us the maximum value. But modulus of A bar cross B bar is nothing but the square root of A bar square modulus of B bar square minus A dot B whole square. Okay. That is square root of mod A bar square, 4 plus 1 plus 1. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is root 6 whole square into mod B bar root 10 whole square minus A dot B. The dot product of A and B is 2, that is 3, 0. There is no k term. Oh, sorry. This is 0, 2 plus 0. Multiplying the k terms, we get minus 3. Okay. Square. 6 into 10 minus. This is 1. Root 59. Hence, box here box A bar, B bar, C bar is less than or equal to root 59. So, maximum box A bar, C bar, B bar, C bar, maximum value is root 59. That is one fine problem. It is also given in examination. These are all the problems given in either MSET or mains or advanced also. Next problem. If A bar, comma, B bar and C bar or non-zero vectors such that A bar and B bar are not perpendicular to each other. Then the vector or bar which is perpendicular to A bar and satisfying or bar cross B bar equal to C bar cross B bar is. Here the options are given as B cross C cross A bar by A dot B. The second one is B cross A bar cross C bar by B dot C. The third option is C bar cross B bar cross A bar by A dot C. The fourth one is A bar cross B bar cross C bar by C dot A. A bar, B bar, C bar are non-zero vectors and A dot B is not perpendicular. Then the vector R bar which is perpendicular to A bar and satisfying the relation R cross B equal to C cross B. Just analyze the data. A bar, B bar, C bar are non-zero. Is not equal to 0, not equal to 0. C bar is not equal to 0. And A dot B is not equal to 0, not perpendicular. Again, R bar dot R bar is perpendicular to A bar and 0. These are the given particulars related to R bar, A bar, B bar, C bar. Given, besides this, given a relation R bar cross B bar equal to C bar cross B bar. From this you have to find R bar. To get R bar, let us observe this one and this one, A dot B, R dot A. We have to get these two values from this one. To get these values from this one, taking cross product on both sides with A bar. With A bar, we get R bar cross B bar cross A bar equal to C bar cross B bar cross A bar. I am taking the cross product with A bar on right hand side. This is vector triple product. From the concept of vector triple product, you can write R dot A multiplied B minus R dot, B dot A multiplied R bar equal to, take this one as it is, C bar cross B bar cross A bar. Evaluate this vector with the help of vector triple product. This is R dot A multiplied B, B dot A multiplied R. But R dot A is 0, so 0 into V bar. B dot A is not equal to 0, so you can take it A dot B multiplied R bar equal to C bar cross B bar cross A bar. Since this is 0 bar, we get R bar equal to, since this is a scalar, you can divide both sides with the scalar, C cross B cross A bar by minus A dot B. You can divide a vector with a scalar. You can divide a vector with a scalar, but whereas you cannot divide a vector with a vector. But this is a scalar, so the division is possible here. Taking minus to this one and interchanging these two, we get B cross C cross A by A dot B is the required value of R bar. Taking that minus to the numerator, we get minus C cross B, which may be written as B cross C. So hence the required vector R bar is B cross C cross A by A dot B. So the first one is the right option. This is also one solving of vector relations. You can solve R bar by using this vector relations. If box A bar, B bar, C bar is 4, then box A cross B, B cross C, C cross A value. This is one important relation. Box A bar cross B bar, B bar cross C bar, C bar cross A bar equal to. This is clearly box A bar, B bar, C bar whole square. Already this proof is given to you. Such results to be memorized once again. A cross B, B cross C, C cross A is always box A bar, B bar, C bar whole square. Hence the required value is 4 square, that is 60. You can evaluate this one like this. Since A bar cross B bar dot B cross C bar cross A bar. This is our box value. This is A bar cross B bar dot, assuming this vector as one vector, single vector, apply vector triple product in between these. Assuming this is P bar, P dot A, that is B C cross product dot A multiplied C bar, this vector, minus dot product of these two multiplied A bar. So hence it can be written as box B C A C bar minus box B C C multiplied A bar. But box B C C, in the box value, if any two vectors are equal, then the box value is 0. 0 into A bar is 0. Hence this dot product may be written in between these two vectors because it is a scalar. So take that scalar as common and take the dot product in between the vectors. Again it can be written as box ABC. This is also equivalent to box ABC because these are all in cyclic order. Hence box ABC into box ABC itself. So box ABC whole square, because box value gives us the scalar only. Box ABC into box ABC gives us box ABC whole square. Next problem. If A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors such that A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0 bar, and the angle between AB is pi by 3. Then modulus of A cross B plus modulus of B cross C plus modulus of C cross A value. Okay. A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors such that A bar plus B bar plus C bar is 0 bar.